How to add WhatsApp link to TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account on TikTok application. And as a check on that, what you can simply do is you can just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, simply you can see the options of settings, or rather hamburger icon. So let's just tap on the profile. Now make sure that you have a professional account in order to add the WhatsApp link to TikTok. So let's tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, and as we tap on it, you can simply, what you can do is, let's tap on settings and privacy over here. As we tap on settings and privacy, here you can see the options of account. So let's tap on account, and as we tap on account, you can see there's no option over here to add any sort of link to the TikTok bio. So we can just see the option of account information. So we're just gonna go back and then simply tap on our profile over here. So let's tap on edit profile, and here you can see the option of links. So let's tap on links, and here you can see the option of website. So you can just tap on website over here, and as a tap on website, what you can simply do over here is wait until the page loads, and what you need to enter in order to get yourself or your WhatsApp link to TikTok bio, it's a tap on get started and simply wait for a few more seconds. And here you just have to build trust on TikTok. So let's tap on terms and policy. So you have to provide a basic information over here, and what you need to do is you just need to enter the business website option, and simply what you need to write is wa.me/ and your phone number. So what this does is adds your WhatsApp account or link to your TikTok bio. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.